Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool, which is having different models to generate the same content, and you can compare and contrast all the content generated by that models. And also you can give a same prompt. For the same prompt, you can get different kinds of answer. So this is the important uniqueness in this tool, and also you can use it for free. So that is very important. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will works out for our research paper writing. So before that, an important announcement from our channel is that you can go to LMS Research Support AI tool. So this is the special AI tool especially designed for research paper writing. So here you can see these are the different kinds of AI templates available with us. So here you can see summarizer, translator, grammar corrector, reference style converter, literature review, reference to content, explain the table, paraphrasing, plagiarism reducer, chatbot, blog article, generate MATLAB code, detailed literature review, chat with paper, and chat with PDF text. So these are the different kinds of LMS AI templates available, and you can start out with just 99 rupees. So you can access our LMS AI tool for 7 days and 1 plagiarism report per plan, and you can have unlimited access. So if you are struggling to write a research paper, so this will be a fantastic option for you, especially for writing literature review. So you will be having 5 different AI templates. So make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple using our AI templates. So moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that Arena AI. So I am Arena AI. So here you can see this is the dashboard of this AI tool. So you will be having different kinds of models. So there are different models available. So the first there are 2 models is present. So in this you will be having a chat box. So in this chat box you have to give your input prompt. So according to this input prompt it will generate answer for you. So here I am going to give an input prompt here. So explain about the increase in usage of renewable energy in power sector. So like that you can give an input prompt here. So according to after giving input prompt, so just give enter here. So automatically the models will generate answer for you. So here comes there are 2 different models generating answer. So this is the model A and this is model B. So first we will explore the model content generated by this model A. So here you can see that this is the content generated by the model A. The increase in use of renewable energy in the power sector is a significant trend that has been gaining momentum globally in recent years. So here you can see why renewable energy, the advantages, and the global trends also will be discussed here. So you can make use of this as an introduction part of your research paper also. Next you can see the regional developments and also policies and initiatives, and then you can see the challenges and opportunities, and here you can see that environmental concerns, technological advancements, economic factors, policy and regulation, energy security, public demand and corporate responsibility, infrastructure development, scalability and accessibility, conclusion. So this is how you can shoot out the same prompt and get different kinds of answer using this model. All this you can do it for free, that is very important, and also you can choose any of the chatbots. So here you can see blind test, ask any question to 2 anonymous chatbots, that is you can use Chatgpt, Gemini, Claude Llama and more. So this will be added in future. So first they have shown you that is a new models, that is model A and model B. So you can select this model and give your prompt. So let us explore with some other prompt. So here I am going to give, so write an abstract for the research paper titled Machine Learning Based Cyber Security Services. So like that cyber security services. So give the input prompt here. So automatically the 2 model will start to generate the input, that is the content here. So here you can see that. So write an abstract for the research paper titled Machine Learning Based Cyber Security Service. So this is the content generated by model 1, so that is model A. title, enhancing cyber security through machine learning, a review of current trends and future directions, and then you can see the abstract. The increased sophistication of cyber threats has made traditional security measures inadequate, necessitating the adoption of advanced technologies to protect against emerging threats. ML has managed as a promising solution to enhance cyber security services, offering real threat detection, predictive analysis, and automated incident response. So like that, it is generated a detailed content, and it also given some keywords also related with the particular topic. And then there is possible research questions, methodology, expected outcomes. So this is how model A will generate answer. In the same way, you can see that, so here you can see that abstract. So in this abstract, you can see the title of the abstract, and then a general abstract is generated. So both the contents are different and unique, so you can choose according to your need. So this is how you can generate different kinds of content from for a single prompt in using different kinds of models. All this you can use it for free. So this is a new AI tool launched, so go on and explore this AI tool and make your research paper writing simple and easy and also unique. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. This will bring an aware about this AI tool. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.